I am at Magda Teleszynska's studio right now. I cannot wait because she's going to do my brows and we will show you the whole process and the after effect. But this is beautiful compared to what I had.
Why not laser?
We had,
Okay.
but it didn't help that much.
Okay. Maybe this is the old pigment, not only quantum.
But I had quantum 2 times.
And etalon.
But etalon was only tiny bit, nothing more special.
Will be red, really red.
It's okay.
After.
It's okay.
Okay. No dobra. Okay. Okay, I don't need the contour base. I see. I think it's okay.
It is okay, 100%.
Okay.
Okay?
Look.
Oh, it's so nice.
This is the same shape.
Yeah, but I love it.
Okay.
I love it so much. It's beautiful. Okay, my face is not beautiful right now, but other than that, it's beautiful. I cannot wait to have it. Yeah, the shape is really nice.
Yeah. For me, it's okay.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Let's go. I had my brows on already a few times and I had to remove it a few times because there was a lot of iron oxide red. You can see one of the removal session over here. And then I cannot wait to have new brows done because it really helps me in the morning. I don't have to put a makeup on, and I am a very lazy person. Sometimes I don't even wear makeup and mascara. So this is the best for me and I couldn't wait to have them done. I like the feeling when I feel the needle in the skin. It's weird, right? It's weird, right?
Just a little bit.
Yeah, probably, but I like it. And it does not hurt. It's perfect.
But if you want anesthetic,
No. So we are doing one pass with one type of pigment because of my skin and because I am sensitive, and then we will do another pass with another pigment, and I've never done it before and I can't wait to see it. It will be perfect.
That will be great color for you.
Is it okay? Does the color go into the skin? Perfect. Because maybe I shouldn't tell you, but I had 3 coffees and 1 Red Bull today. Exactly opposite what client should do. See? No one is perfect.
Yeah.
It's so relaxing. After a whole day, it's amazing. And with 4 hours of sleep,
Jesus.
this feels like a yoga session or meditation. And as I was counting now till we come home, because Magda lives 700 kilometers from Ostrava, where I live, so we will be almost 24 hours up till we go home, till we come home. We will be at home in the morning tomorrow. Yeah, that's hard work. And tomorrow morning I have another course and I'm going to record a podcast. Very well. I will look like a zombie on a podcast. Oh,
Yeah, is it okay?
perfect.
But not finished, of course.
I would go.
Not
Let me
done.
go. It's perfect. Bye bye. Chapeczka?
I need it. Pawełek and Kinder Bueno.
We have to go home, and there's like 7 hours.
7 hours.
So we need sugar to not fall asleep. I'm sorry.
Okay. I think we got it. On this brew first.
Perfect. So we've finished with the procedure. This is how my brows looks like, because I also have hybrid pigment in my skin. That means that it's a little bit reddish around, but the gradient and everything and the technical side of the pigmentation is just unbelievable, and Magda is the best. So we finished with the procedure, and I am so grateful that I could meet Magda and she did my brows. You will see the whole process in this video, and if you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments. I am preparing also another video about the healing process and how it's going to heal step by step, day by day, and what I do and what I cannot do. I will explain everything in another video, and I will see you very soon. Bye!